Hello, this is Robert Hollis. I hope you're having a great day. This is for people that pre-enrolled and need to go in and create a free account so they can evaluate everything and see the free marketing system. You'll also be able to download the app, all the stuff that you'll get to see. So first of all, when you go to mydailychoice.com, you'll see here, then over here, if you go to the opposite side, you're going to see shopping cart and then login. Now, here's where people get confused. If you're already an affiliate or a customer, you're going to have a username and password like I have. But if you're a pre-enrollee, you want to click on pre-enroll, and I already put some information in there so I could show you how to do this. And then you put your email in and simply log in. Now, this video here, believe it or not, is me. It will show you how to create a free account, but I'm just going to do it really quickly. So I'm going to scroll down here. You see create free account. There I go. And then I just used information, so I could show you how to do this. So first and last name, then username is something that is available. So, we used our last name, but I'm just going to put something in here to see if it's available. It is. Ownership name would be your first and last name. So, and then password, we'll put that in. So this is so you can log back into your account. Then we're going to do first and last name again. Disregard this. If it shows up, just go ahead and click on it. And then the next thing you're going to do is go to Bitcoin. So now that you go to Bitcoin, you can go down here, read the policies and procedures if you want to. And this is how you become a free affiliate. You're going to see in a minute that it's a lot different. Email address is already being used. So I'm going to put whatever one I put in there. Go back down here. Okay, there we are. That's simple. So now it's processing. Pay close attention here. A couple more steps. We're still pre-enrollee. Thank you for joining My Daily Choice. Again, you understand the policies and procedures. And then we go in, and now you see that you got all the stuff that I have in my back office, which is pretty amazing. So over here, you can see earnings, trainings. My video, again, will go through and show you all that stuff. And I always go under tools and resources. Here you'll be able to see, all kinds of videos. And again, I covered that one video. There it is. So a little slow today, but if you didn't watch that video, you could go to websites, go to capture pages, and here you can actually set to me. So they'll see the same video that I seen, and then you can go through the training. You go to the dashboard. Here's the home. I'm sorry. Here's videos that you can check off. Again, no need for purchase at this time. And then you can go to tools and resources. And I covered sort of this in my back office, understanding, compensation plan, everything that you need to know, the products, everything. So thank you very much. Hope this video helped you.